Hi and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you with all your latest developments. Now, after major setback after the first phase of elections to the Congress party, two prominent leaders from Punjab Congress have joined Bharatiya Janata Party today. It is Tajinder Singh Bittu and Karamjeet Chaudhary who have joined Bharatiya Janata Party today, joining the list of another MPs and MLAs like Ravneet Bittu, Parneet Kaur, Gurpreet Singh GP, Rajkumar Chabbewal, who have deserted Congress party ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Now, if we speak about Tajinder Singh Bittu, he was AICC co-in-charge in Himachal Pradesh, and Karamjeet Chaudhary is a wife to former MP Chaudhary Santokh Singh, who was a three-time MP in Jalandhar. Now, Chaudhary family was miffled over candidacy in the Lok Sabha seat of Jalandhar, which has been now offered to former CM Charanjit Singh Channi by the Congress party. Well, notably, both the personalities have had decades-long association with the Congress party, but it has now ended ahead of the general elections, and it can also mean that these two candidates can be given a nomination from one of the constituencies in Punjab that BJP is still left to announce. Tajinder Singh Bittu, a close aide of Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi, resigned from a primary membership of Grand Old Party on Saturday. Bittu also stepped down as the All India Congress Committee Secretary in charge in Himachal Pradesh. Tajinder Pal Singh Bittu tendered his resignation to Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge. He wrote in the letter, "I hereby tender my resignation from the primary membership of the Indian National Congress and from my post of AICC Secretary co-in-charge of Himachal Pradesh, effective immediately." In a Facebook post, Bittu shared his resignation letter and said, "With a heavy heart, after 35 years, I resigned from the Congress party." If we talk about the Chaudhary family, they were upset over being ignored by Congress High Command for his candidature from the Jalandhar Lok Sabha constituency. Chaudhary's son, Philor MLA Vikramjeet Singh Chaudhary, had already resigned as the chief whip of the party in Punjab Vidhan Sabha. The Chaudhary family is upset over the candidacy of Charanjit Singh Channi from Jalandhar constituency, which is reserved for scheduled caste candidate. The rift within the Congress camp widened after Vikramjeet Singh, son of two-time MP Santokh Chaudhary, who had died in January 2023 following a cardiac arrest during Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra, openly opposed Channi's interference and presence in Jalandhar even after dubbing Channi as an outsider. Notably, Karamjeet Singh contested last by-election in Jalandhar unsuccessfully and lost it to the Aam Aadmi Party, Sushil Kumar Rinku. The Congress loyalist Chaudhary clan had a clout in Dalit politics in Doaba region and had been politically active since 1936. Santokh's father, Master Gurbanta Singh, was one of the tallest Dalit leaders of Punjab in 1972 assembly elections. Gurbanta was elected unopposed and joined the Gyani Zail Singh cabinet. He became a member of Punjab Legislative Assembly 6 times. He had a close association with the Dera Sachkhand Bala, which is considered to have sway over Dalit-dominant Jalandhar parliamentary constituency. Vikramjeet Singh is the family's 16th representative in Punjab Vidhan Sabha, which also happens to be state's 16th assembly. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to The Savera.